After choosing law as a career by any student, the next question which comes to the mind, that is in the mind of the parents, that is law a good career option for my kid or not? Is my son or the daughter is able to ace law as a career or not? From where we are going to get all these details? क्या सही career option choose किया है? In this video, I am going to answer each and every question. So my name is Siddhant and I'm over here to answer all those questions, a complete guide for all the parents about a career option that law entrances will going to talk about. So let's start this video. Once again, welcome to the YouTube channel of CUET Law by MS. My name is Siddhant and today I'm going to answer all those questions which you have already heard about it. So being a parent of a student who is in a standard 10th or after 10th or in standard 11th or maybe in 12th, the parents struggle with this question that whether choosing law as a career option will going to be fruitful for my child or not. That is $1 million question which comes to the mind. And even if they are sure of that, okay, we are agreeing to invest all our money for this career option, but we as a parent need some education. And no one is telling us which entrances to go for, which college to go for, what is the support we as a parent without funding the education of my kid can be given. So these are multiple questions which come to the parents' mind: is law the right care for my child or not? So the question comes, will this going to be a stable career option or not? That is a question which comes to their mind. Only courtrooms are going to be in their career option, that means they're going to court and fight cases. Is that law is only about? Or what if the top law colleges doesn't happen, that if my student or if my child does not make it to the top 10 or top 5 colleges, then is this the only field? When should the preparation is going to begin? Right now when they are in 10th or in 11th or in 12th? And the last question is this field secure and respected? I am going to answer each and every question which is there in your mind. Besides this, if there is any other question to the mind of a parent which comes, drop into the comments, let me know. I will answer that also. So to answer this, you have to watch this video till the end. So first is, I'm going to talk about and give you knowledge about that what all careers your child can definitely make into the field of law. So the first I'm going to talk about is the career path is litigation. As you can see it over here, that this is a court-like structure where there is a person who's standing in a court. In the entire attire to be there in the court is that the person is going to be an advocate. After clearing 5 years of law, giving a bar council exam, he or she is going to become an advocate and will be a litigant. Like you already see it in the movies who fight cases. But next you say, I don't want to be into the court, but I want to be into the corporate law. That means your child is going to be sitting in a company or a firm where he or she will going to look after multiple clients which the company is going to take forward, right? That is what the corporate law is about. Next they say judiciary, which after doing law and equivalent to the level of UPSC is a field which lot of time students aim for when they go for judicial services. So there are state judiciary exams which happens, but there is different criteria which happen that after your graduation, some years of experience, if I'm not wrong, it is 3 years of experience they need to gain, and then they can go for these exams. But it completely depends upon the vacancy. It's a long journey, but definitely this is a go-to option. After this, civil service, if not judiciary, then they want to go into civil service like UPSC, IAS, IPS officers. You can definitely be part of it because they know the system from the legal aspect. They are the ones who are the protectors of the society. And if someone believes that besides this, is there any other option? Yeah, definitely be an academician or be the policymakers, because you are the one who understands the constitution of our country. So you can be like an educator like me. You can teach in colleges. You can be one of the research papers analysts. So this is what majorly happens. So these are the options. Besides this also, you can also become a consultant for multiple multinational companies. So there are multiple career options besides even in the law. It can make an entry to human resource, labor laws. They can also go to arbitration. They can go to financial services, everywhere as a consultant. Now you have already known about these are the career paths, but what are those entrance exams which my child is capable of giving if he or she is in standard 11th or 12th? So I have divided these entrance exam in two phases. So let's imagine a situation that right now your child is in 11th or 12th. Okay, so we'll talk about either of the category. The exam majorly happens in two phases, the multiple exams. In total, we'll talk about 7 law entrances, which helps you to make an entry in country's top 50 to 60 law colleges. I'm talking about. I'm talking all the law colleges, including national, which is government aided, or some private colleges also. So in the month of December for that particular year, let's for example, we say we are sitting in the year that is 2026. So in December 2026, the exam is going to happen. Who are eligible? The students who are in 12th right now. But if you say that my child is going to be in 11th or in 11th right now, when they're going to give exam? They will going to give exam next year in the month of December. That is December 2027. So these exams in the month, these are the exams which happen in the month of December. That is, one is CLAT. It is Common Law Admission Test, which account for country's 26 national law universities. Along with this, there is one more college which is based out in Goa, that is IIULER, which also takes admission through CLAT. These are government aided colleges, country's top notch, and it is spread across multiple parts of India. Okay, like if I say Bangalore, Hyderabad, Gujarat, Silvassa, Maharashtra maybe it's in Nagpur, Aurangabad, Mumbai, then it is in Chennai, Trichy, that is what is multiple, Tamil Nadu, then it is in Northeast also, then it is also in Shimla, Meghalaya, multiple places it is being there across the nation. Okay. Then it is a 120 mark paper, a proper reading intensive one. Next exam comes is All India Law Entrance Test, that is AILET. This has a limited seats, high level of competition, which account only you make an entry to one national law college which is based out in Delhi. So besides 26 national law college, this is another one, but you give only one entrance exam, which again has a 150 marks to be given in 120 minutes. Now these are reading intensive papers which happens in the month of December. Over here, this account for near about 75 to 80,000 students every year. This majorly account for 30,000 students every year. Then comes an exam which is an LNAT UK in India. Only one university till now has been accepting it. That is OP Jindal. It's a private college, which is again a reasoning and an essay based paper, a completely reading intensive, no maths, nothing comes. Over here, maths is there. But to know more about detail in what exactly come in these exams, there is a separate video which is already there on our YouTube channel, which exam talks about what. So you can watch that particular part. You can even press the I button which is over here. You can click on that and you will going to come know about it, and the link is in the description also. Then another exam which talks about is SLAT, which is Symbiosis for universities. It's a private college which takes an admission, which happens again in the month of December. So these are the 4 exams. Now this is majorly happening from September to December. It has a bigger window, but these exams happens in the month of December. So if your child is able to clear these entrance exam, he or she can easily make an entry to country's top 30 law colleges of the country. Now besides this, if you say ki, okay, my child is not very much ready, and if she misses out onto this, do they have other options? But we want them to prepare post boards. Definitely these are the entrance exam which happen post boards, which help you to make an entry to countries majorly, like if I say top 50 law colleges, but not all, a very few going to be make entry through this. Now one of the exam is Narsi Munji Law Admission Test, where total near about 7 to 8 campuses of Narsi Munji. The university is based out in Mumbai. Majorly in Maharashtra, I think there are 3 campuses, and then remaining are there in like maybe Indore, Hyderabad, Bangalore, and so on. So these are the exams with one of the exam. This happens post board. Even Narsi Munji exam starts from January itself, but we suggest students to go post boards You can prepare right now and then go for post boards. Then comes the Maharashtra CT law admission test. Now for Narsi Munji, again near about 30 to 40,000 students give. This majorly account for again 40 to 45,000 students, which gives every year. Okay, this number keeps on changing every year. Now this helps to make an entry to countries, I'll say top 20 law colleges, one which comes in top 20, that is GLC Mumbai, ILS, and one of the also college which is based out in Mumbai, and majorly ILS Pune and GLC Mumbai. Okay. Now again, if you want to know from these law entrances which are law colleges are there, that comes at a later stage. But right now my aim was to tell you, आपको ये बताना ताकि which all entrances they can aim for it. Okay. Or post board which they can aim for. One comes with, that is for the Christ entrances, which is abbreviated as CULEE. Now, where you make an entry to a campus, maybe in Bangalore, which is a Christ University, again a private law college, a very renowned university. Next is CUET, that is Central University Entrance Exam, where again students can make into universities like Allahabad, Banaras Hindu University. So these are the colleges, these are the entrance exam majorly in December, before board, post board, it happens this way. Now, after any of these exams, your child is able to crack it, they can definitely make an entry to countries known colleges. But you might again be wondering ki fees kya hogi, kitna ho gaya hoga. That is a separate detail which will going to come up later on, and it's already there on the YouTube channel also. But if you demand and drop into the comments and let us know, we'll come with that. But at the end, what is a deciding factor is you are the one who is going to be one of the path and as a mentor with your child. Now, what exactly it is, because your participation matters the most. So what you have to keep motivating and tell it to your children if they want to go for law, if they are thinking about law, is it's better to start early. If they are in class 11th, it's very appropriate time to go for it. So for this only, IMS GetSet Law is already running multiple batches, which is abbreviated as Law 28. The details of these batches are again provided in the link below in the description. You can go and check it up, or if you want, you can get in touch with our education advisors. They will help you with that. Okay. The batches are already running for the students who have just cleared 10th, waiting for the result, or already got the result, or in 11th. Start early, because this journey will be a fantastic journey for all of you. Okay. Now, besides this, what is add-on which you can keep on asking your children to go for it is to build up reading habits, focus on consistency, no pressure, and focusing on both the phases of the exams. Because right now, if you are aware of these exams, then it will be an add-on factor to your child's knowledge, because they know about few entrances. But if you read and study more about it, so if any of the student is watching this video, please share this video with your parents also. पेरेंट्स को बताओ कि ये कॉलेजेस हैं, ये एंट्रेंस एग्जाम है which I am aiming for, and if you want to know more about it, Siddhant sir is there, we'll ask him, he will answer us in the comment section as well. ठीक है, so दोनों phases you have to cover it up and choose the right guidance. So IMS is already there. Start early, don't wait for the last time. And if you have reached till this part of the video, thank you so much for watching video till here. Do hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video as much as possible, because I have created this video after talking to so many students who were struggling with this ki sir, my parents are not convinced and they are not knowing about these entrances, even though when we have been telling them. Don't worry, this video is a depth video. Till then, Siddhant sir signing off. वापस जल्दी मिलेंगे. Thank you so much.